According to altcoincryptotalk.com and altcoin gems over on Twitter, Floki has become the second winner of the Altcoin Crypto Cup and the first Memecoin champion. And in today's video, we're going to be going through some breaking news and updates with Floki that you're not going to want to miss. And a big shout out to the team for sponsoring this video. And please also understand that I'm not a financial advisor. In full disclosure, we do hold these cryptocurrency assets. Cryptocurrency is very risky. Never risk them more than you can afford to lose. But if you're ready to learn, we're ready to teach. Let's get started. In our previous YouTube videos, we shared with you that Floki had a testnet trading bot, and now officially, you can see that Floki has tweeted out that they have now begun the mainnet for the trading bot. The Floki Trading Bot is the fastest and simplest way to buy and manage tokens directly from Telegram without having to deal with slow DEXs, transaction confirmation delays, or slippage issues that can cost you money. Often, this could mean the difference between making a mere 1x and a 5x on the same trade. Now, Floki Trading Bot is initially launching on the mainnet of the biggest three EVM chains, BNB, Ethereum, and Base. Now, it's also set to go live on Solana and other top EVM chains very, very soon. You can learn more by going to tb.floki.com or by continuing to watch this video. Here are some of the key features that the trading bot is going to have. First and foremost, it's going to be super fast token purchases as well as few taps in just a second on your device in Telegram. Also, it's going to be easy for you to buy these new tokens and launches as you can do so with just a couple of taps. And there's also going to be some important news and announcements again in the future. The faster that you're able to take advantage rather than trying to load the browser, this is where you're going to have a massive advantage over others if you decide to invest in new cryptocurrencies. There's also going to be multi-chain support, so you can seamlessly buy these tokens on several different blockchains all in one place, making it very user-friendly. There's also going to be multi-language support, so in case you speak different languages, traditional Chinese, traditional Russian, Indonesian, Spanish, Dutch, and others are to come. There's also going to be seamless integration with top decentralized exchanges and aggregators to ensure that you get the best token prices. And you can also create, export, or delete up to 5 wallets. And it's going to be easy for you to withdraw your funds to the bot to a third-party wallet like a centralized exchange or on and off ramps. They're also going to have a referral program, which allows you to refer your friends to earn even more commissions when they trade using the Floki Trading Bot and a lot more. Now, in addition to these key features, you can also unlock exclusive rewards by using the Floki Trading Bot. These would include airdrops, trading incentives, as well as special details for the Floki Trading Bot users. Now, this is due to Floki's strong dominance in the industry, also allowing for them to bring even more of a strong value to the trading bot. For example, the most anticipated Memecoin launch of the year, one that we teased in the last video, was Simon's Cat. Now, they have allocated 1.5% of their total token supply exclusively for Floki Trading Bot users who use to trade the token using the Floki Trading Bot. No other bot in the industry got this opportunity and is just one of many of the exclusive rewards planned for Floki Trading Bot users. Now let me teach you step by step how to buy, sell, and trade using the Floki Trading Bot. Simply go to tb.floki.com, and again, this is the fastest and easiest way to buy tokens. Simply go and click on the start right here, and this will take you over to Telegram. So remember, if you do not have Telegram, make sure that you have Telegram. Then simply click on the send message or open Telegram. Then simply click on start. Next, you will need to generate a wallet. Then copy the wallet address by simply clicking and then go back to the main menu. Next, you will need to deposit funds. We will use MetaMask as an example on the BNB chain. Then you will need to refresh your wallet. Then you'll be able to see your funds. Then click the Trading Bot button. Then you'll need to paste a contract address. We will use the BNB TokenFi address as an example. Then click on the amount that you'd like to buy or create a custom amount. You can also sell tokens as well as view token info and click back. Then wait for the transaction. And if you've done everything correctly, you will see your purchase being successful or your sell being successful using the Floki Trading Bot. Now, for more information, you can also go over to their docs.floki.com. This is where you're able to see step by step how to use the trading bot, manual buy and sells, portfolio tracker, securing your wallet, as well as a lot of other details like setting up the bot. Simply click next. And again, this is a great way for you to get started as well for you to learn step by step with us here in this video. Again, generating your wallet, you can click here and you can buy and sell right here. And it outlines this for you step by step. Engage case you're more of a visual learner and you want to see right here, this might be a great way. Also, if you click on the referral program, this is where you'll see even more your rewards, rebates as well for using this as well. Now, again, nobody's forcing you to buy, sell, or trade any of these cryptocurrency assets, just educating you rather, again, in tutorial style. The fact that Floki is giving you a great rebate as well as rewards, something that I truly do believe can be helpful. And one of the coolest things about the trading bot is that these new projects are going to be giving away some of their token supply, starting with Simon's Cat. This is a huge cryptocurrency launch that just ended up posting literally on August 20th, and this highly anticipated Memecoin launch is going to go live on the token launchpad, which already did at the time of this recording, and it sold out very, very quickly. Here you can see even more of the Simon's Cat's token launch details, as well as the tokenomics. They even shared with you how to participate in the pre-sale, so congratulations if you've been watching our previous videos, as this has already taken place, and these videos are time sensitive, so make sure to keep coming back to the channel. The fact that this crypto is launching on TokenFi shows me a lot's happening with this entire ecosystem, and Simon's Cat is a world famous cat animation series, if you did not know, with over 1.6 billion video views on its official YouTube channel and many more across other channels and social networks. The Simon's Cat meme coin is set to undoubtedly become one of the world's most famous and popular cat meme coins according to these statistics. Now, here is a quick overview of the mainstream reach. Again, 1.6 billion over on their YouTube, 30 to 60 million on the Simon's Cat video on the YouTube and Facebook, 9.8 million Facebook fans, 6.9 on YouTube subscribers, 5.4 million Instagram followers, 3.5 million TikTok fans, 20 million game downloads, and much more. And here's what you need to know if you are a Floki holder. Simply click the blog link on their X account, and you can see here that if you are a Floki holder, you could potentially be getting an airdrop of this new crypto coin. And again, who doesn't like free money? So here's everything that you need to know according to their article. You can see that Simon's Cat has allocated 20% of the total cat supply to the Floki community. This article gives you a breakdown of these airdrops and what you need to know in order to qualify. Number one, Binance will support the Simon's Cat airdrop to Floki holders. You can read even more by clicking here, and I'll take you through how this is going to work with Binance. First, the user must hold 400,000 Floki tokens in order to qualify, and right now that would be worth right around $50 in value. Now, Binance is going to have this be taken, the snapshot, on the 29th of August. So you still have time today at the time of this recording. But again, these are very, very time sensitive. Now, 9 billion cat tokens will be distributed, qualifying Floki holders on Binance. And Simon's Cat is going to airdrop a total of 350 billion cat tokens to Floki holders who have on chain. That's a total of 3.5% of the cat supply. So again, you're going to also need to hold 400,000 of these tokens to qualify for the airdrop. The airdrop will be distributed proportionally to users on-chain Floki holdings. So again, in other words, while 400,000 is the minimum, the amount of Floki tokens you may hold, holding more Floki will result in you getting a higher percentage of the airdrop. Now, the distribution ratio, 350 billion cat, you can see here minimum holdings. So again, if you hold the minimum, you're probably not going to get a lot of these cat tokens. They might only be worth maybe a couple of pennies or maybe a couple of dollars. But again, it's anyone's best guess depending upon how this goes. But the more that you hold, the better chance that you're going to get more of these cat tokens. Both Floki holders and stakers need to meet the airdrop criteria. Since the cat is going to be taken exclusively on the BNB chain, the airdrop will be done on the BNB chain. However, Floki holders on both BNB and ETH chains will receive the airdrop. If you hold your tokens on the ETH chain, though, you will get the cat airdrop on your ETH wallet, but it will be on the Binance Smart Chain and BNB chain. There's going to be two snapshots for this. Going to be on August 22nd at the GC of 23.59 and August 29th. The cat tokens will be distributed based upon how much Floki had at that time. So again, this is very time sensitive. Right now, you don't have a whole lot of time left to be holding this, and this is why it's very important for you to know about these time sensitive alerts. So Floki Trading Bot airdrop, cat airdrop, and also again, if you're not able to participate in the first airdrops, you can by using the Floki Trading Bot. And again, here are all of the details here, as well as the cat airdrop for other centralized exchanges. This is going to be the contract address, and make sure to only follow the official links here at Floki's Twitter, and make sure to continue to keep following here on the channel. All the links will be down below for you in the description, and a big shout out to this team again for sharing all this information and sponsoring this review video. If you have enjoyed the video, smash the like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you in our next videos coming up. Stay tuned.